Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, entertainment, and fun, fun, fun. Having spent the last 3 days at the Hyatt Ziva Zilara, I realized that you're missing out. And so, just because I want to ensure that you enjoy all that I had at my advantage, we have a special offer just for you. We have picked out a wonderful block of rooms just for you, our treasured clients. So join us July 26th through 30th, Hyatt Ziva and Zilara. It's gonna be fun. Take your children. Bring your friends. Let's have a family reunion. Let's have a party. Let's have an amazing get together. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun.
Business Development Manager with Playa Hotels and Resorts, and I want to welcome you to the Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall. Thought it might be nice while I'm here to take a little walk through the resort. If you have the chance to find yourself in Jamaica, find yourself at the Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall. That is our adults only 5-star Hyatt all-inclusive resort. And we've got right next door, we've got the Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall, 5-star all ages all-inclusive resort.